Hey everyone, Hiawatha Productions here. Welcome back to another video. So I was going to do this video, what was it, Sunday? But I just felt too tired and lazy to actually do it, so I just put it off, and Monday I was also being a bit lazy. Recording this on Tuesday, this probably won't be uploaded until Wednesday. Hopefully not. I'm being over dramatic, sorry. So I went over to the Antique Mall in Canadaigua, Ontario Mall. As you all know, I've done a couple of videos on me getting stuff from that place. Sorry for the background noise. My parents are on a work meeting, and someone else is watching a video or something. I don't know what they're doing. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you some of the things that I got. First thing that I got was a small B&O dock tank. Hopefully you can see that. Yeah, I picked that up for $10. The engine had a red mark on the tag, so that meant that it was 50% off, so I actually got it for $5, which is pretty good deal. I ran it for a little bit when I got it. It ran really nicely. It is pretty much intact. The only thing that's broken off of it is part of the footboard, but I'm not too concerned about that. Next, I got this B&O Baltimore, Ohio B unit. I think this may be F7 B unit. Really good shape. And I also got along with this Chicago Northwestern B unit. There was a actual engine that went with this. I think it was an F7. I would have gotten the pair, but the F7 wheels were like crappy. Sorry for the crappy camera quality. I'm using my phone for this. I swear it's sometimes a pain to get these on the tracks. Next, I have this N-scale tank car, Southern Pacific, for $5 as well. It was $10, but I got it 50% off. Really good bargain. The thing was brand new, hadn't been used by the looks of it. It has plastic wheels, but I'm not too concerned about it. I'm probably not gonna use it this summer because I took apart the N-scale setup on my table, and I don't want to put it back together because it's kind of a hassle to do that. You may be confused by what I mean by that, but yeah, I don't want to go over it. Finally, you may remember in the last video that I did on the shop, I got some Northern Pacific. I got a Northern Pacific card. And so, hang on, I need to move some of this stuff out of the way. And so, I got the remaining cars. Hopefully you can see that. Yeah, so I got the remaining cars. The one that I got was a observation car. These two are coaches. They have the same number, but that doesn't really matter. Then I have a mail car right there. So, yeah. That's all the things that I got at the Antique Mall. I will possibly be making more videos soon. I know I don't upload very frequently, but I may end up recording another video in the future. So, yeah, stay tuned for that. Sorry for the noise, I live on a surprisingly busy street. Yeah, before I end the video, I'm going to get some of this stuff running. All I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put up the, coaches and the mail car with a little 040 switch engine. And before anyone asks, decides to ask what kind of engine it is, well, or what make it is, it's a River Rossi, or AHM, I believe. Yeah, it's an old AHM without the valve gear on it. There's a version of that model that does have the valve gear that I have seen on eBay, but this one doesn't. It's based on a real life engine. It's based on the Baltimore and Ohio C16 dock tank, or Little Joe, as they were also nicknamed. 4 were built, 2 were rebuilt into tender engines, I don't know, before the 40s, somewhere around that time period. And then later on, the other 2, I think, were also rebuilt, but all of them were scrapped by 1951. The 2 that were rebuilt were withdrawn and scrapped in 1944, I believe. Just gotta plug that in. And let's watch some trains go by. Oh, forgot to mention a few things. Well, 2. First of all, I forgot that the switch engine here, whenever it gets up to speed and I stop it suddenly, has like a little squeal. Not sure what it is. And also, this is actually pretty interesting. If I can get the camera to focus. Come on, focus. Hold on. Focus. Focus. Doesn't seem to want to focus, but this engine does not have a regular headlight. It's got a little fake diamond on it, which I find pretty interesting, because Skylight Junction, shout out to you, by the way, he actually has a River Rossi cab forward that has a little diamond on the back headlight, so that's actually pretty interesting. I guess instead of using regular headlights, I just use fake diamonds for the headlights and the back headlights, or whatever. I'm not sure, I'm not an expert on these things. And of course something goes wrong. I need to get this track work fixed down to the table, or at least get it nice and smooth so this doesn't keep happening. Hold on. And that's a little trick for some of you model train fans out there. If your engine has stalled somewhere and you don't want to reach over and push it, just pound on the floor or table or whatever you use. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna have this run around one more time and then move on. Okay, I think that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, consider subscribing and click the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video. Hiawatha Productions signing off.